iyalah masa calon ibu aku yang bener aja lu rugi dong.
Oh, that's so cute.
Oh.
Hello. So, currently, as of today, we're
in
here
Bromo.
in Bromo.
Yay! And today, not today. Well, we're going on a. So the reason why we're in Bromo is because we're going on a 3-day, 2-night trip in Bromo. It's mostly to relax, honestly.
Yes.
And this whole time, we're just doing a lot of like stuff. There's no schedule to this.
Yeah.
We're just doing whatever we want when
We're
it
on
happens.
holiday,
Yeah. And yeah.
So far, it's been so relaxing and so blissful. Yesterday, okay, so this is gonna be fun in the front, but sneak peek. The first day, all we did was just talk and relax and sleep.
It's just tea.
And so we didn't get a lot of footage. And then the second day was like the main event.
Main
which
event
we
today.
went to Bromo and did all the things.
We got stuck in traffic for like an hour. They don't know that, but
Yeah, I was asleep the,
the whole time.
through
I
that.
have clubs of you sleeping. I didn't send it to you.
I saw you sent some to Steph because he sent
Yeah.
me, and I was like, she was serious. Anyways, we are here courtesy of MA
Hey.
because this is all hers. She's actually
Oh
the owner of this entire building.
Oh my. This is TMI. But yeah, I'm also kind of here to check up on everything else here, like the situation and like the rooms in general and the staff. So it's also kind of like a productive trip as well. So it's kind of like semi-business, you could say. Yeah.
Yeah. So now what we're about to do, this is the second day after we went to Bromo.
Yeah,
And
we
now
recorded
we're gonna move.
Yeah, we're going to. So the name of this hotel is Lereng Bromo. And we're going to go to another place. It's kind of glamping-ish. I don't exactly know how to explain it, but the name of it is the Nature Bromo. Do not be fooled. It's not nature-ish. You will see it later on in the next couple of clips, but yeah.
I have yet to see it.
So this is a surprise for everyone.
Okay.
Yes.
See you.
See you. Bye-bye.
Usually it's to the point where you can't even see these trees anymore.
Ah.
Welcome. Welcome. This is very folklore.
It's 3 a.m. and we're on the way to Bromo.
Yay!
Yar.
I can't believe you woke up at 2:30.
I'm impressed, not gonna lie.
Yeah.
Did you sleep?
Not really.
See? See, I'm not gonna sleep now.
Hi. Hello. So, we rode the jeep.
And then we went to Penanjak pertama, this one.
Yeah, and then we just parked there. And then we walked up here. It was like just 250 meters.
I don't think it's even 250 meters.
Just, yeah.
It's like a 150 probably.
We walked a bit up. And now we're here.
It's a good morning. It's a good wake up. Like exercise.
Yeah.
So now we just need to hike a little bit more.
Hi. So we've reached the, what is this area called?
The Penanjakan.
The Penanjakan. We're with Adi.
We're still waiting for the
we're
sunrise.
waiting about 20 minutes till the sunrise.
It's still not time yet.
I see trees of green, red roses too. I see them bloom for me and you, and I think to myself,
achieved. Where's my buffaloes over here? It was so cool. We're back on a trip.
And the bright, blessed days and dark, sacred nights. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the skies, are also on the faces of people passing by. I see friends shaking hands, saying, how do you do? They're really saying, I love you.
It looks like a merlion.
Looks like merlion.
Yeah.
It's so nice gitu.
We're now back at the hotel, and this is the view from our hotel room. It's about 10 a.m. There's still a slight haze. Not even a slight, quite a bit of haze.
Hi Vogue.
Hello!
Welcome. So we're here in MA's glamping villa.
Do you not know the name? There's a
It's
name.
called Edelweiss.
Oh, okay! So may I ask you some questions?
Of course.
So, what made you stay here?
Well, we fell in love with the balcony. This room has a very nice balcony.
Wow.
Here you go.
Beautiful.
You can see the view, but right now it's quite hazy.
There must be what? There's a lot of houses here, huh?
Yeah.
Can
With
you-
different names.
Mm-hmm.
So when you come in, the main part, of course, is the bed. This is a queen. It's a queen-sized bed, similar to the one we had at the hotel.
Mm-hmm.
And then over here we have our tables where we put our stuff. My suitcase, MA's luggage, and the TV. And then if you would go over here, we have the bathroom.
It's more of a smaller bathroom, but it has a full shower.
It has a full shower.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. And that is the room.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We'll come again soon.
Of course.
Goodbye.
Teman-teman, lo semua dapat salam dari Indonesia.
No, they went to the other side. Tell me when it's recording.
It's recording.
Okay. So now we're in the restaurant area of like the nature. So this is where everyone eats, like snacks, everything. You go here. At night, you can see that nature is mostly like this fantasy themed, like light, like area. So it's not really the nature. It's more of like fantasy-ish nature. That's why there's a lot of gnomes and everything. That's why you see a lot of mushrooms everywhere as well.
It's very hazy right now.
Very hazy. You can't see anything.
Yeah, and the haze is picking up on camera. There, I got it.
Okay. Oh.
Hey! Strawberry picking.